Introducing the Tipton Ultra Gun Vise, innovatively designed to be compatible with conventional rifles, modern sporting rifles, break-open shotguns, crossbows, and compound bows. The solvent-resistant frame has the AR magwell vise, equipped with 180-degree rotation. The 4 independent leveling feet allows you to level the vise on any surface. And the 4 non-marring articulating clamps allows you to lock down any weapon. With 4 inches of front and rear elevation, the modular interchangeable design adapts to any need. Let's change that have to a want to. Don't settle for average. Demand perfection. Tipton Cleaning Supplies.